Hey stargazers! Today we're diving into one of the most common questions I get from beginner astronomers. What's the difference between reflector and refractor telescopes, and which one should you choose? Let's break it down. First, let's understand how each telescope works. A refractor telescope uses lenses to gather and focus light. Think of it like a giant magnifying glass. Light enters through the front lens, called the objective lens, and travels straight through to your eyepiece. On the other hand, a reflector telescope uses mirrors. Light enters the open tube and hits a curved primary mirror at the bottom. This mirror reflects the light up to a smaller secondary mirror, which then directs it to your eyepiece. Now let's compare them in 5 key areas. Cost. Refractors, generally more expensive per inch of aperture. Reflectors, more affordable for larger apertures. Pro tip, you can get a much larger reflector for the same price as a smaller refractor. Second, maintenance. Refractors, sealed tube, minimal maintenance. Reflectors, mirrors need occasional realignment, collimation. Both need regular cleaning, but reflectors require a bit more care. 3. Image quality. Refractors, sharp, high contrast images, great for planets and moon. Reflectors, excellent for deep sky objects, can show fainter objects. Both can provide amazing views with proper care. 4. Portability. Refractors, usually more compact and lightweight. Reflectors, larger apertures mean bigger tubes. Consider your storage space and where you'll be using it. 5. Common issues. Refractors can show chromatic aberration, colour fringing. Reflectors need more frequent alignment. Both affected by temperature changes. So, which one should you choose? Choose a refractor if you want a low-maintenance telescope, primarily observe planets and moon, need something portable, have a higher budget for a smaller aperture. Choose a reflector if you want the most aperture for your money. Love viewing deep sky objects. Don't mind occasional maintenance. Have space for a larger telescope. Remember, there's no perfect telescope. It all depends on your specific needs and interests. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more astronomy tips. Drop a comment below telling me which telescope type you prefer and why. Clear skies, everyone.